Tired of smartwatches dying halfway through your day? Frustrated by slow charging when you're in a hurry? Annoyed by small, hard-to-read screens outdoors? Struggling to track workouts accurately or monitor your health? Missing important notifications while running or at the gym? Wishing your watch could actually help, not just notify? Feeling limited by basic fitness tracking and slow responses? Meet the Google Pixel Watch 4, engineered for real life. Check the best price on Amazon with the link in the description. Designed by Google, crafted with precision and durability. Featuring the new Actua 360 domed display. Bigger, brighter, tougher. See everything clearly, even in bright sunlight. Scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass keeps your watch looking new. Enjoy Google's longest battery life ever, up to 40 hours. Need more? Battery saver mode lasts up to 72 hours. Forgot to charge? Get 15 hours in just 15 minutes. No more waiting around for your watch to power up. Stay connected with LTE. Leave your phone behind. Text, call, and stream right from your wrist. Introducing Gemini, your built-in AI assistant. Ask questions, get instant personalized answers. AI-powered quick replies make texting effortless. Your watch learns your preferences for smarter help. Track your heart rate and sleep with advanced sensors. Monitor your health 24/7 right on your wrist. Train smarter with over 40 exercise modes. Get real-time stats for every workout. High-precision dual-frequency GPS for accurate routes. Never lose track of your runs or hikes again. Stay safe with built-in emergency features. Peace of mind wherever you go. Let's compare. Old watch versus Pixel Watch 4. Old watch. Battery dies before dinner. Pixel Watch 4. Lasts all day and night. Old watch. Takes hours to recharge. Pixel Watch 4. 15 hours in 15 minutes. Old watch. Small dim screen outdoors. Pixel Watch 4. 10% larger, 50% brighter display. Old watch. Basic notifications. Slow assistant. Pixel Watch 4. Gemini AI. Hyper-relevant quick replies. Old watch. Limited fitness tracking. Pixel Watch 4. 40+ modes. Real-time stats. Precise GPS. Old watch. Struggles with scratches and wear. Pixel Watch 4. Durable, scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass. Old watch. Health data is basic and slow. Pixel Watch 4. Advanced heart rate, sleep, and health tracking. Old watch. No AI, just notifications. Pixel Watch 4. Personalized help, smart suggestions. Old watch. Missed calls and messages during workouts. Pixel Watch 4. LTE keeps you connected everywhere. Old watch. Complicated charging docks. Pixel Watch 4. New side charging dock, easy and fast. Old watch. Outdated design, uncomfortable fit. Pixel Watch 4. Sleek matte black, obsidian active band. Old watch. You adapt to it. Pixel Watch 4. It adapts to you. Imagine effortless mornings, no charging panic. Imagine smarter workouts, accurate health insights. Imagine instant help from AI wherever you are. Imagine always connected, even without your phone. Imagine a watch that keeps up with your life. With Google Pixel Watch 4, it's all possible. Built for fitness enthusiasts, tech lovers, and health seekers. Perfect for busy schedules and active lifestyles. No more compromises, just seamless performance. A smartwatch that finally makes sense. Ready to upgrade your routine? Choose the Google Pixel Watch 4 today. Experience the power of Google AI on your wrist. Stay ahead, stay healthy, stay connected. Check the best price on Amazon with the link in the description and transform your day.